Considering an affiliate marketing program? Read these tips. Affiliate programs are one of the best sources of revenue on the internet. If you can learn how to engage your readers, you'll be able to sell them products, encourage them to click on links, and have unstoppable earning power. Here are a selection of tips that will help you find affiliate marketing success. Find an affiliate site that offers real-time statistics so you will be able to see how well the promotions that you are running are doing. You will be able to see the number of visitors have made their way to their site from yours, how many purchases were made, the number of sub-affiliates, and your total sales monthly. Use the pre-sale content of your affiliate programs to link to keep customers interested. If you are promoting a new dog cage, have the link go to the affiliate's additional information about it instead of going straight to order page. This gives the customer more information about a product, continuing the sales pitch, and builds trust. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. Affiliate marketing need not be your website's sole revenue stream. The same site that generates affiliate money can also use other advertisement strategies, like Google AdSense. In order to maximize effectiveness, though, it is best to keep some separation between your advertisers. Avoid working with two advertisers offering similar products to prevent them from cannibalizing potential customers off of each other. Many people dream of finding a job that will let them work from home. If you work to master affiliate marketing, a great work-at-home job will be yours. The advice in this video is very useful to anyone interested in affiliate marketing. As you apply it, you should see your earning potential skyrocket. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.